Hello everyone in William McKinley Families. We are going to show you how to take a picture of a homework assignment and upload it to your Chromebook and submit it to Schoology. Now we have our Chromebook open to Schoology. We have our assignment that we did on paper. Now, in order to take a picture of the assignment, you need to click the magnifying lens, and then up comes the menu where you can click camera. When you click camera, then you can hold your assignment up to the camera. Then you're going to click that circle to snap your picture. Then you can preview your picture down in the bottom corner. There's where you can preview it and you can look at it and make sure the teacher can see all your hard work. Okay, then you can X that to close it and close your camera. Then you go to Schoology and find your assignment that your teacher has given. Click on your assignment. Then you're going to click Submit Assignment. And then you have the option to upload. When you click Upload, you can find your image that you just took. Click Open, and your image will load. And when it gets all finished loading, you can click the Submit button, and your teacher will have your homework. Your image will be there for everyone for her to see, him or her. And I know we are about to go to in-person learning, but we will still be using our Chromebook for a lot of classwork and homework assignments, and who knows, maybe we'll have a snow day. So that is how you can submit a paper pencil assignment to your teacher through your Chromebook.